Hello friends, welcome to Marine Pathshala. In this video, we will discuss Marine Engineering Interview Questions Part 2. If you haven't seen Marine Engineering Interview Questions Part 1, then click on I button in the top right corner. Coming to the first question, the interviewer may ask you what is TBN? Total base number can be defined as a measure of reserve alkaline additives that are put into the lubricating oil to neutralize the acids. It is expressed in mgKOH per gram. What is viscosity index? Viscosity index is a dimensionless number that represents how the viscosity of a hydraulic fluid changes with temperature. Greater the viscosity index, the smaller the change in the fluid viscosity for a given change in temperature and vice versa. What are the different methods of heat transfer? There are three methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is a direct flow of heat through a material resulting from physical contact. Convection is a heat transfer between a surface and adjacent fluid and by the flow of fluid from one place to another induced by temperature. Radiation. In radiation, there is no transfer medium required. It is a transfer of thermal energy through matter of space by electromagnetic waves. What are different mountings of boiler? Boiler mountings are a set of safety devices installed for the safe operation of boiler. Main mountings on the boiler cell are safety valve, steam stop valve, vent valve, pressure gauge, water level indicator, feed check valve, fusible plug. What is the difference between AC and DC current? AC, alternating current, is defined as a flow of charge that changes direction periodically as shown in the diagram given below. In DC, the electrons flow steadily in a single direction. The next question he may ask you, do you own a bike? If you own a bike, tell me how much cc the engine is. If you tell him about the engine cc, then he will ask you what is cc, define it. Every engine powering every car or motorcycle has a capacity to displace, burn some air and fuel. This capacity is measured in cubic centimeters. A cubic centimeter is a unit used to measure volume or capacity of a container, or in automotive terms a cylinder. It is equivalent to the value of 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. What is a ledge? Let me tell you, a ledge is taken during sounding. A ledge is an empty space in the tank measured from the top of the tank to the upper surface of the liquid. A ledge is measured when the content of a tank is highly viscous and if the tank is filled to maximum. What is cavitation in pump? Cavitation is a very common problem in the pumps. Cavitation is the formation of bubbles or cavities in a liquid developed in an area of relatively low pressure around the impeller. The imploding or collapsing of these bubbles trigger intense shock waves inside the pumps, causing significant damage to the impeller and pump housing. It occurs because there is not enough pressure at the suction end of the pump or insufficient net positive suction head available. What is critical speed? Critical speed of a shaft occurs when the shaft rotation speed is at or close to resonant conditions. In this condition, the torsional vibration of the shaft increase greatly and will impose very high stresses on the crankshaft. What are the reasons of black smoke coming out of the funnel? The main cause of the black smoke is imbalance of the air-fuel ratio, that is incomplete combustion. Either there is a shortage of air or the fuel supplied to the injector is not being treated properly. What is the difference between voltage and EMF? Voltage is a potential difference between 2 points which causes current to flow. It is the amount of energy per unit charge while moving between 2 points. EMF or electromotive force is the amount of energy supplied to the charge by battery cell. The EMF is measured between the endpoint of the source when no current flow through it, whereas voltage is measured between any 2 points of a closed circuit. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Marine Pathshala.